Sometimes the bird bros go birding alone. I mean, I miss Sean.
Hey folks, well, it's the first week of February, -7 or so. I've decided to come owling in Clareville Conservation Area because I haven't seen an owl this year and I need my fix. So stay tuned for owls, potentially.
Let the hunt begin. It's very snowy and icy out here. Kept breaking through, making this hike quite a workout. That looks like poop. Could it be owl poop? Poo.
So far no owls yet, but I have seen a couple trees with poop on them. So that's a good sign. That means we're in the right area. Let's keep looking.
Speaking of poop,
Looks pretty fresh. Some deer poop. Maybe we'll see some around in our owl search.
do 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 do. What a lovely day. Hey, a flying V of Canadian geese. The one in front actually isn't the alpha goose. They just take turns. Checking out all the trees here at Clareville. Gotta find an owl in one of them. And Bingo was his name-o. Well, I don't know if his name is Bingo, but this is a northern saw-whet owl. Ontario's smallest owl. Dope! Look at those eyes. I don't even want to challenge him to a staring contest. And those cute little facial discs. Who's making a dang racket? I'm trying to talk.
There's a pack of coyotes around. Right there, see it? And there's another one. They just killed something. I heard them one day. Let's go investigate. Got my stick out, just in case they try to attack me. I mean, I doubt it. But there is a big group of them. And I guess if they're hungry. I saw them split up, so I mean, I'm hoping they're not gonna surround me, I don't think. But got my stick, just in case.
Ah, they're out of here. They don't want to mess with the bird bro. See you later, coyote. Gator? That doesn't work. Get out of here. Look, a black squirrel. Which are really actually gray squirrels with melanism, which makes them black. Oh, I found a little bird feeder here. Aw, look at all the little birdies coming for lunch. Oh, that's an American goldfinch. Did you know goldfinches actually molt their feathers twice a year? And there's a downy woodpecker there. Whoa! Hi, little birdies! We got a Cooper's hawk scoping out for lunch. I love Cooper's hawks though, they're pretty sweet. Crazy ice chunks there.
Just ran into a pack of white-tailed deer while looking for owls.
Good array of wildlife sightings today. I'll take it. One deer, 2 deer, 3 deer, 4 deer. And that's how you count to 4 deer, folks. Oh look, a red-tailed hawk just flying on over. Cool. What's that look like? Does that... Oh, it is. Score. That's an eastern screech owl, folks. That's 2 owls in one day. Always love those kind of days. These screech owls typically found in tree cavities. And it's a cute little feller.
Well, that was a 7-hour day of looking for owls. It was a very interesting day. Came into a pack of wild coyotes, 4 white-tailed deer, the northern saw-whet owl in the tree there, and just now I had the eastern screech owl, so awesome. Sounds about the set. The only thing that could make it more perfect is if a barred owl or a great horned owl just made an appearance. But I won't get my hopes up. Have a good one, guys.